Or perhaps how Netflix suggests movies based on your previous choices. The secret lies in a type of machine learning known as supervised learning. Imagine a world-class tutor guiding a student, providing specific examples and offering feedback to help the student learn and make independent, informed decisions. That's essentially what supervised learning is all about. It's a fundamental concept in machine learning, where a model is trained using labeled data to predict outcomes on new, unseen data. Now let's break it down into two main types: classification and regression. In classification tasks, the model is like a detective predicting the category or class to which a new data point belongs. Picture an email being classified as spam or not spam, or a machine recognizing handwritten digits. The answers here are discrete and predefined. On the other hand, regression tasks are akin to fortune-telling. The model predicts a continuous output value based on the input data. Imagine predicting housing prices, stock market trends, or weather temperatures. The answers in regression problems are continuous and can take on any value within a range. So you may wonder, what tools do we use to carry out these tasks? There are numerous supervised learning algorithms at our disposal, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. For classification, some popular choices are logistic regression, decision trees, and support vector machines. For regression, we might use linear regression, ridge regression, or random forest. The choice of algorithm depends on the specific problem at hand and the characteristics of the data we're working with. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the real-world impact of supervised learning. It's not just about sorting emails or predicting movie preferences. Its applications stretch across various industries. In finance, it's used for fraud detection, credit risk assessment, and stock market prediction. In healthcare, it aids in medical diagnosis, disease prediction, and drug discovery. Marketing firms use it for customer segmentation, targeted advertising, and churn prediction. And in retail, it's applied for product recommendation, demand forecasting, and inventory management. In the world of technology, supervised learning is the silent hero behind spam filtering, image recognition, and natural language processing. So, to sum up, supervised learning is a type of machine learning that uses labeled data to train a model to make predictions. It's divided into two main types: classification and regression, each with specific applications and algorithms. It's a tool that's changing the world around us, often in ways we don't even realize. So next time you see your email filtering out spam or a recommended movie popping up on your screen, you'll know the magic of supervised learning is at work.